lowering the Mazda. He's taking that side apart. We already got this side done. So we got new KYB struts, XLGs, and some Megan Racing lowering springs. And this is a what year Mazda 2, Sam?
2013.
Yep, there's not a lot of videos out for mods on this stuff, so we're gonna try to make a lot more content for you guys for this car since it doesn't seem to get a lot of love. We're just taking this side off here. Look at that too. It says Fomoco on the calipers. That's Ford. So I bet those calipers are the same as a Fiesta. We're just taking the strut mount off on this side here, which we gotta remove the brake and the clutch. Both cylinder for that. Pull that out of the way. Get to the bolts for that. These three here. Okay. There you go. Swap back over. A little more. Might have to go all the way on them.
Oh.
It's close. One more. Really gotta compress these. You guys are probably wondering why we're even doing this with the old shit. It is because we need to use the strut mounts over because they're good. So no use buying new ones when they're still fine. I have to go all the way.
Okay. All right. I didn't know if we were sending it or not.
Just stop it when the threads get there, though. Don't.
Yeah, don't overdo it.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Okay. We just got it just enough. There you go. I'm gonna do this side over. Okay, back to the other side. Okay, let's try that. See if that can get on there. Which actually, I might have screwed us with the zip tie.
Oh yeah.
Maybe.
We'll see. No. All right.
Yeah. Pick up on it just a hair.
There it goes. Is it in? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Yep. Yeah, we might have to do it again.
We got this other one done here. About to put it on. Okay, guys, we got the rear spring and rear shock in. Reused the strut mount, it was in good shape, so we're going to show you how to do that on this side. Or Sam's going to show you anyway. He's taking the wheel off right now, so. That's super easy. So that shock bolt right there, you remove that shock bolt and that holds that just enough pressure on that spring to keep it in there. So remove that shock bolt and it droops down enough to pull the spring right out. Super easy. Okay, and this rear strut design is like super easy. You don't have to go inside the trunk or anything. You remove those two 12mm bolts.
Yeah, yeah. There it goes.
But make sure it's on there, you'll strip it out. I can get a longer extension if you need it.
I think I was going out the wrong thing.
Let me get you a longer extension.
Wait, where did this
Did you lose the socket?
Oh, it's right underneath.
21.
I think it's right underneath your foot. Yep. Or no, that's not even it. What the fuck? Wait, where'd it go?
Okay, so Sam just got to remove this 17mm bolt here to get this old shock out, because we got some high performance KYBs going on this bad boy. So far, everything that Sam's done on this side has stripped out, broken, or not came out. So let's get the breaker bar on this.
Yeah, that looks about as strippy. Which is insane. Like, I don't know. Maybe it just doesn't like.
Okay, we want to see how strong Sam is now. On video. Is it on off?
Yeah. Yeah, make
break
sure.
your wrist.
Yeah, first. There we go. There we go.
Oh, hang on, you're about to strip it out.
Already?
Yes. Just push it on there a little bit more.
Oh.
There you go, right there.
That's probably why.
I'll hold it while you go. Oh, is that flexing, taking all your... I might have to put the jack under it so it don't move.
True.
Hang on. On there all the way? Okay, I think you're good. Yeah. Hang on, we might have to do the old vice grip trick. Trusty. Let me get some vice grips right there. Hang on, I just had them. My videographer skills are wonderful here.
I mean, yeah, that's true.
Okay. There's our mount that we need, the bump stop and everything else. Some crap in there.
Very well taken care of.
Jeez.
This thing is almost fucking.
That bump stop is about, yeah, it's about shot, but whatever. We don't need those anyway. We don't stop on bumps anyway. Okay, got the old crusty bump stop. Going on a brand new high performance strut here. And then our strut mount. And you know, we're reusing hardware because we like to send it. I got it. Ow.
Oh,
very good. Now go.
Yeah, I was trying to get
Okay, that's good.
every time. It won't ever come off. There, I got it. There we go. Let's get stuck.
Cool. Oh yeah, before you put that back in,
Mm-hmm.
now we get to pull spring out.
Oh, okay. So, yeah.
So this, guys, this compresses just enough to pull that out. Better with two guys, but you could probably still get away with one guy, but it's easier with two. Ready?
Yep.
See, pop right out. Cake. And here, let's put that back.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
It's got a little retainer that kind of holds it, see, in that hole.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Okay, new spring.
So get your spring ready. We're just running springless. We're going to slam it in the rear. Okay, ready?
Yep.
I would set the bottom in maybe first.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, there you go. Perfect.
That was... No, wow.
Perfect. Cake. Easy as can be. And then we're going to get the shock bolted back in. If you want to stick that up in there and put your 17 millimeter back in. Here, I'll kind of hold that side for you. Cool. Not want to get started? Oh, yeah, you're good. You're good. Zip it on there. Did I lose it again?
That looks like the 20.
That's half the battle, guys.
Yeah. I think it
I
might
mean, it really is. You know, losing the socket that you had 2 seconds ago.
15.
Kidding me?
Did we? Where did we? Is it? Did you take it over to the?
I don't know. Well, let me look.
Oh man.
I'm just showing you guys this, so you know what it's really like. Hey, found it. Go to town. Good. Heck yeah. Now the top bolts will be done. Which I would get them started by hand.
Okay.
And I might have to push it up and hold it for you, honestly.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah, man! I smashed this bitch. Holy shit, that's crazy.
Ow.
Yeah.
That one's hard to get to.
I know, it's such an awkward spot. I'm just kind of praying. Might use this.
Oh, it just needs spot. Oh, no.
Oh no!
Okay. That was money. Oh, shit.
It's
supposed to be helping me. What the heck? This thing is wagging it worse.
Okay.
I think that one's good. Yeah, you're good on that. You might just have to spin that to the side.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna.
There you go.
Yeah, it's hard to get started.
Think it's in? Nope.
Definitely
Here,
not.
I got an idea.
Yep.
Where's that long extension? This one.
Oh yeah.
And did I bring the correct socket for that? I thought I had one, did I not? You see an 11? Or 12 or whatever the heck
Yeah,
that was?
it's right here.
Oh, that's for the big 3/4 or half-inch strip.
Might be on it.
Hang on. Sam's putting the last wheel on, and we'll show you guys what this thing looks like on the ground. Lowered. So hopefully you guys like this. There's not a whole lot of videos on these things. We're gonna try to keep you guys updated on more mods that we are gonna do on this. He also does have the short throw shifter in this. Where'd you get that from again?
I forgot.
Which obviously you can't see it, but because it's just a little link that goes in there.
5 3/4.
It was 25 3/4 before. Let's see what we got now.
24 3/4 almost.
Huh.
It's like a full inch, right?
Yeah, I think technically they're only 1.25 of an inch.
Yeah.
Lowering is what they're claimed, which, I mean, this hasn't settled yet,
Yeah, yeah.
but definitely noticeable.
Yeah, it's like an inch.
It's just enough to make it look good. Oh, you forgot the hubcap over here.
That's okay. I'll just drop some of that.
But noticeably lower. Got rid of that wheel gap, and then, you know, next I think he's going to be looking to get some wheels maybe for this thing. Sure, make it look good.
Oh yeah.
Okay, final walk around, guys. Here it is. Let me kind of show you from this angle. It's looking good.